you guys, it's Lache and welcome back to my channel. I am going to be doing a wash and go, as you can see by the title. I'm going to be using the One Little Parrot products to achieve this look, and I'm going to start with my Tresses Honey and Tropical Fruit Revitalizer, as you can see. And I'm going to be using the Green Leaf and Macadamia Oil Tresses Gel Cream. Let's get into the video. Shampoo my hair, spray some, then finger curl it, comb through. Then the second thing I'm going to do is use the Tresses Gel Cream, the Green Leaf and Macadamia Oil. The consistency is like this. And take a little bit like so. Just go through my hair. Ooh, that feels amazing. Okay guys, so I'm finally finished, and I really love the products. The products really like just melted in my curls. The macadamia oil is like amazing in this gel cream, and it's so moisturizing. I wish I would have got the shampoo and conditioner, because if this gel cream is moisturized and makes my curls so divine like this, I will really like the shampoo and conditioner. And I'm going to show you guys my hair once it's dry, and I'll be back with my review. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. We're going to be doing a giveaway, so please follow my Instagram. It's at r.lache to get all of the giveaway details. Thank you for watching.